Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add special characters to your text in Google Vids. All right, so let's say you're working on your Google Vids project and you need some characters that you just can't get from your keyboard. When that's the case, you generally want to use what's called a special character. And you can do this in Google Vids, but you do need to have some content element where you can add text. Notice I don't actually have anything selected here, and if I go under Insert, I can't choose Special Character. However, if I select something like a text box, something where I can input text, then I go back. Now that I'm in a text box, now I can open that up. If you know what you're looking for, you can search results or view the categories. Honestly, most of the time, I just use the feature over here where you can draw what you want. So let's say I want to insert an arrow. So I can just draw the arrow with my mouse, and then I get arrow options over here. Let's do this one. And then close, and there it is in my text box. So I can get special characters like that, things I may not be able to get just from using a regular keyboard. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.